My name is Brandon Bowskill. I'm the Senior Biomass Engineer for Greenio. I started working for Greenio in August 2014. Started off by building these cabins actually on the site we're on today. So we built 18 of them, 13 which are now owned by Greenio. Everyone gets on well with everyone, and like if you have any issues, you're made to feel like you can ask anything. That's what makes Greenio better than anyone. When I first started here, I never thought I'd be in this position I am now. I'm at the point where if a customer goes to me, oh, why have you stopped here so long? I always go, well, I'm like a stick of rock. If you chop my arm off, it says Greenio on the inside. Building the boilers here in 2014, being here now today, 12 years later, and then just imagining being a part of it again 8 years to complete the cycle. It's something that I'd be able to look back on with pride.